Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I am doing this wig review on this hair from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me over a 22-inch 13x4 kinky curly with the 4C kinky edges as well. This wig is giving nothing but inches, curls, and it's not lacking in any one of those. This hair is so full, it's beautiful. The kinky curly edges are giving so natural, so freaking natural. I love it. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and thank you Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. All right, you guys, so I'm all done. This is how the wig turned out, you guys. Look at my kinky 4C edges. Okay, so my 4C edges, y'all, I like them. They're natural. Okay, so let's talk about the hair real quick. This hair is so gorgeous. This hair is so gorgeous. Do you see how, like, it's almost giving like dreads though? I ain't even gonna lie. Like, it's almost giving, it's giving like Bob Marley, but like in a good way. These curls are so juicy. You can finger curl them like I did here. And I just like brush them out so it could be as full as possible. But the hair is really pretty, and there's a lot of hair on this wig. I think it's like 180 or maybe it's 150 density, I'm not sure, but it's a whole lot of hair. It's a whole lot of hair, y'all. But yeah, it's giving mixed girl. It's giving I got hair like my kids. Like, that's just what it's giving. Let me show you guys the back real quick. You know what I should have did was, because these edges, I pulled them forward so much, I should have like scooped my wig back like this much, because I don't like how small my forehead is right now. I don't like how small my forehead is. Like, and I don't even like that my baby hairs is almost touching my eyebrows, but that's on me. It's closer on this one too. There's more room over here. Anyway, yeah, I do not like my baby hairs even remotely this close to my eyebrows, so that's my bad. But other than that, the hair is beautiful. Again, this is a 22-inch 4C curly edges, kinky curly, 22 inches. Did I say that already? 13 by 4 frontal wig. The curls are so beautiful and airy, bouncy. They define very well. I think that this hair could get bigger than this. If I actually wore this hair tomorrow, I feel like the curls would be, or the hair would be even bigger. So if you like big curly hair, this is definitely for you, sis. This is definitely for you. This is all the hair, all forward, and it is cute. And these edges, they are definitely giving, they give you like a natural tease. It is definitely a natural tease. And they don't have to be so like defined. I didn't have to define them like this. You don't have to define them like this either. You can make them look like even more natural, but I definitely put like a little gel on there and defined them a little bit, so. But yes, so that is my review on this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And bye.